All right, number 11. First, we will use these two parallel lines, and just think of this as a transversal. When you do that, you'll notice that angle 1 and the 80-degree angle are consecutive interior angles. They need to be supplementary, so the measure of angle 1 is 100 degrees. All right, next, let's focus on these lines in a different way. What if these are two parallel lines, and this is our transversal? Then angle 3 and 80 degrees are consecutive interior angles. And those kinds of angles are supplementary. They also add up to 180 degrees. So if that's 80, the measure of angle 3 has to be 100 degrees. And we were allowed to do that because these two angles were parallel. All right, so now we've got the measure of angle 1, 2, and 3 all done. That just leaves us with angle 2. And I'll bet you can guess what angle 2 is going to be. If angle 3 is 80 degrees, and if we focus on these two parallel lines with this transversal, once again we have a pair of consecutive interior angles which must be supplementary, and that means that the measure of angle 2 must be 80 degrees so that these two add up to 180. So that is how we do number 11. I hope that helped.